Welcome. In this relaxing session, your focus will be on financial abundance. We deserve to be financially abundant, so simply relax and allow your creative imagination to work for you. Make sure you are in a location where you can easily ignore the outside world and fully focus on you. Allow your eyes to gently close. Take a nice breath in to center yourself on the intention of becoming financially abundant. Breathe out and say, I make more money than I spend. Breathe in and out. Follow along with the breath, finding its natural rhythm. Allow the breath to relax you. Paying attention to the rise and fall of your abdomen. It's very relaxing to tune into your breath. Just focus your attention on your breath. At any time your mind wanders to something else, simply return your awareness to the quality of your breath. Now imagine with your creative power that you are holding a large bill in your hand. This money was acquired by your hard work and dedication. See the size and color of the bill. Pay close attention to the details of it. What is written on it? Exactly how big is it? Its width and its height, as well as its thickness. Feel it in your hand and allow your imagination to make it as real as possible. What is the texture of this large bill? How much money does it represent in its currency? You can even smell the aroma of this bill to get an even more vivid experience. Imagine that money flows to you because you have great skill in acquiring it. Money is something that you work hard for, so it comes to you on a daily basis. You bring value to the marketplace with your skill and dedication. Each day, you do something that deserves ample payment. See yourself now doing what you do best, all the while getting paid for it. great. Feel the worth of the work you do. Know that others are benefiting in some way right now from your efforts. Now, I want you to get ready to take a deep breath in and out. Are you ready? Breathe in, hold it, and breathe out. And relax. Another breath in. Breathe in, hold it, and breathe out. And just relax and breathe normally. Now, bring into your mind's eye the image of you sitting in front of your computer screen, and you go to your bank account to check your balance. The bank statement that is shown in your account is more than you ever expected to earn in your lifetime. See this number in a very precise amount, clearly written below your name, an account that is all yours. You see your transactions, noticing there is much more money coming in the positive than there is being spent. You have made enough money to support your family and buy anything you want. But there is more that you want to do with this money than buy things. You have a deep desire to help others. So imagine right now, in as much detail as you can, helping the world with a large amount of your money in whatever way comes to you. Feeling the joy that giving brings to you, because you know that holding on to large amounts of money only keeps others from getting the things they truly need. You are generous, and with this generosity, the universal energy feels your power of contribution. And so in turn, you are given even more money from your efforts. It seems that each thing you do brings more cash flow your way. You are literally a money magnet. Being awarded with financial abundance has made you more giving than you could ever have imagined. Now, I want you to get ready to take a deep breath in and out. Are you ready? Breathe in, hold it, and breathe out. And relax. Another breath in. Breathe in, hold it, and breathe out. And just relax and breathe normally. Now, say to yourself these affirming statements for financial prosperity. I bring value to the marketplace, granting me large amounts of cash. I make more money than I can spend. Financial abundance is my way of life. My abundance overflows to those needing and deserving of my hard-earned money. I see my bank account growing every day. I am generous with my money, knowing that I am affecting the lives of others with the financial power I hold. Each and every day brings me more money than I can spend. I am unselfish, thoughtful, and hospitable with my bountiful life. Now I want you to get ready to take a deep breath in and out. Are you ready? Breathe in, hold it, and breathe out. And relax. Another breath in. Breathe in. Hold it. And breathe out. And just relax and breathe normally. Let's now count to 5. With each count, you will come closer to exiting your meditative state. 1, 2. Feel yourself becoming more awake. 3. Feel your hands, feet, and limbs regaining muscle control. 4, 5. You are now fully awake and ready to take on finances in a way that is not only beneficial to you, but helpful for the entire world.